It's been a while since I removed one of these. Maybe that lamp's overkill. So there's a trim piece that comes off. There's some retaining bolts. It shows some retaining bolts on the bottom. We'll see. Oh, good thing that I didn't pull too hard on it. That's just a hook. Manual didn't say anything about that. And then you're supposed to lift it up. And once it's up, you can disconnect the Bowden cable. And unhook it. Wow, that sounded pretty bad. And sure enough, there's a broken clip here. This piece is bent. Those just hook into there. There's a clip here. Actually, this could be part of. Oh, there's a clip. There's a broken one. Yeah, this is crazy. Wow. So, anyways, then we disconnect this plug here. Speaker. That's the only good thing about this panel, is that there's just two connectors controlling everything here. Somebody's obviously been in here before. We can take this guy off, but let's have a look at the regulator. The window is detached, so I'm hoping it's just the that the cable came off of the clamps. Some nice sticky glue here. And just continue peeling. Okay, so what have we got here? Yeah, so the window is still attached, as you can see, but not to the cable. Then we take the motor off. When in doubt, remove the motor securing bolts first. Now I can handle that plug better, more easily. Okay, And I assume we're going to lift the regulator out of this hole here. Okay, and then we take this bolt off. There's probably one under here. Yep, there's one under here. T45. Bolt 7 does not exist. Oh, it does exist. And I probably should have, well, I don't like cutting seals, but I could have cut the seal here and here and left it in the door. T25 or T30. Okay, so that's loose. And I think it said one more here, so somewhere along here. Yeah, this guy right here. This one has to come off. One more Uber bolt. It seems free. Regulator. And I already can see why the window is free. You can see this piece of, I was going to say piece of plastic. That piece of metal should be inside here. It's no longer attached. think I can pull the window out like this. Oh, it is coming up. Alright, that's it. Installation is in reversal removal. Mount the regulator, push the window in, secure the window back into the door. Thanks for watching.